how to set up and use Ronin wallet on browser. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can set up and use Ronin wallet on browser. So to begin with, first thing first, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I'm using Google Chrome. First of all, you need to add extension. For that, type in Ronin wallet on the search box. After that, you'll be able to see multiple search results. You need to tap on the first, which is chrome.google.com. After you tap on the link, it's going to take you to the Chrome web store. On this page, you need to add Ronin wallet to your Chrome. So click on add to Chrome, which is right over here. Once again, you'll be able to see a confirmation. So if you're sure about adding extension, click on add extension. Once the application is added to your extension, click on this puzzle icon located in the upper right hand side corner of your screen. Now click on Ronin wallet or double tap on it. So click on get started in order to begin with the registration. So you'll be taken to the login or sign up interface. If you're new to Ronin wallet, I'm new, let's get started. And if you already have an account, then click on I already have a secret recovery fees, import wallet. Next page, you need to go through all of these statements and select the options accordingly. So first of all, you need to create as your password. In order to confirm, you need to type in twice. So quickly enter in all of these information. After done setting up a password, click on create wallet, which is located right at the bottom. Now you'll be taken to the recovery fees, as this is one of the most important part of your Ronin wallet. Click on reveal seed fees. After that, click on copy to clipboard, which is right at the bottom. Click on confirm send fees. Right over here, you need to enter in some of the secret fees that you recently copied. As I've already mentioned, you need to save it somewhere securely. Now enter in your secret fees. Once you're done with this procedure, click on the continue button located right at the bottom. And here you go that the wallet has been created, and click on your button, which is right at the bottom. And in this way, you can create a Ronin wallet on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.